So hello everyone. So this question is from June 2016 ring theory. So question is P is a prime number which is greater than or equal to 5 and Fp be a field with P element, then we have to identify some of the correct statement or incorrect statement. So first is Fp cross Fp has at least 5 subgroups. Second is every subgroup of Fp cross Fp is of the form H1 cross H2, where H1 and H2 are subgroup of Fp. Third is every subgroup of Fp cross Fp is of the form every subgroup of Fp cross Fp is an ideal of this ring. And third one is this ring is a field. So simply first number of if we consider R as Fp cross Fp as a group, then number of elements of order P is exactly P square minus 1. Since every non-identity element is of order P, so number of element of order P is a P square minus 1, and we know that the number of subgroups of order P. Since P is a prime number, so every group of order P is a cyclic. So number of subgroup of order P is a number of element of order P upon phi of P. So this is a direct method to count the number of cyclic subgroup. So which is equal to P plus 1. And P is a greater than or equal to 5. So P plus 1 is also greater than or equal to 6. So there is at least 6 subgroup of order P which is at least 6 subgroups. So your first statement Fp cross Fp has at least 5 subgroups. So first statement definitely true statement. Second one, every subgroup of Fp cross Fp of the form H1 cross H2. So if we will consider simple group Z2 cross Z2 under simple addition modulo 2. Now the subgroups of R of order 2 and of the form or simply if we will take x is equal to 1 comma 1, so obviously order of x is equal to 2, and we can define h which is a subgroup generated by x which is 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 0. So order of this h is 2, and the number of subgroup or the subgroups of order 2 of the form h1 plus h2. So where h1 should be subgroup of Z2 or h2 is also subgroup of Z2, and order of this should be 2. So this must be of the form either Z2 cross trivial 1 or trivial 1 cross Z2. So the subgroup of order 2 of the form h1 cross h2 must be these two, and these both of the subgroup is not equal to this subgroup. Hence this h is never equal to h1 cross h2. That is, the subgroup of Fp cross Fp need not be of the form h1 cross h2. So your second statement is definitely false. And third one is every subgroup of this Fp cross Fp is an ideal of this one. Again, if we will take this as a subgroup of Z2 cross Z2, now x belongs to this Z2 cross Z2, and R we can define 1 comma g belonging to R, then R dot x which is again 1 comma g which does not belong to h. That is, this h is not an ideal but a subgroup. That is, every subgroup of Fp cross Fp need not be ideal of Fp cross Fp. So your third option definitely false option. And fourth option is Fp cross Fp is a field. If we will consider simply 1 comma 0 and say x and y which is a 0 comma 1, so definitely x and y are non-zero element, and x dot y is 0 comma 0, that is product of two non-zero element is 0, that is this ring must have a zero divisor, implies this is not an integral domain, implies this is not a field. So your D option is also false option. Hence hence answer must be a B answer. Answer must be a A answer. The number of subgroup of this FP cross FP is at least 5.